A cylindrical roller bearing has inner race, outer race and rollers with or without cage. Its rollers are not true cylinders but are of logarithmic profile and ground. There are 2 or 4 rows of rollers that are used for larger loads. Either inner, that is, in design NU, or outer race, that is, in design N, can move freely in axial direction. It is constructed in such a way that the inner and outer rings can be separated to facilitate assembly. Also, both inner and outer rings can be fit with shaft or housing tightly. In other design of NJ or NF types, inner race or outer race can move in axial direction in only one side. In NUP construction, a separable thing through facilities bearing assembly by separating inner race and cage with rollers from outer race to facilitate mounting of bearing. In assembled condition, axial movement of inner ring relative to outer ring cannot happen in either direction.